Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video I am going to share the second tip for the Fruitful Friday segment, where I share one good tips with each one of you which would help you all to go about with the rest of the week. So I've started this new segment called Fruitful Fridays, where I am going to share one tip each Friday which will help you all to go about for the rest of the week, or rather for the rest of the life as well sometimes, because I truly believe that these are the tips which we all should follow. And these are things which I personally try to follow and which really helps me at times when I am low. Lots of things in my life are going all haywire, or it's all like in a massacre kind of conditions. These are the tips which really helps me. So I'm shooting in my PG here at Bangalore today, and I just came back from this really cool place called the Urban Monkey Cafe in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So all you people who might be staying nearby or in that area might be knowing that place. It's a really cool cafe. You can go hang out there anytime. So I went there with two of my friends, and we had this really nice and interesting conversations where we were discussing that some of the struggles which we youngsters usually faces at office. Some of the struggles, like where we get to do the work which we don't like, or maybe some of the struggles where there are a few issues which we face, but sometimes we just don't voice our opinions because we are scared, because we don't know who is the right person to reach out to, or whether it's right or wrong, or whether it's appropriate or not. Most of the times we are scared to lose our job more than losing our happiness. So we were discussing all these things, and that is when I realized the importance of saying no. Like, it's very important to say no, because if you don't say no now, there are chances that the same things will keep happening to you for the rest of the time, for the rest of the life, and also for the rest of the time you are forced to do something which you do not like. So that is something which came out of the conversation, that is, it is very important to learn to say no, guys, because right from our childhood we have been taught that we need to be well behaved, we need to be calm, we need to be respectful towards our seniors, which is absolutely correct. No wrong, nothing wrong in that. We should definitely respect everyone, seniors, juniors, everyone equally. And also another thing is, but we should not let anybody take advantage of that. So if you feel that there is any issue which you are facing, maybe at work, at home, or there is something which you're not liking, or it is putting a toll on you, or you're being forced to do that, learn to speak up. Just learn to say no, because when you say no, or when you just speak up and express your concerns, chances are that maybe your problems do not get resolved right away, but at least the situations will improve. Trust me, guys, I have done this a lot of times in my life when I have been going through situations which were like very bad, but I spoke up in those times. I talked to the persons who were concerned, whether at work or in any other places. Trust me, even if the situations were not like 100% resolved, they were simplified. They were much simplified to a great extent. So that is the main thing. If you're facing any kind of problem where you're feeling that you're being forced to do that, learn to speak up, learn to say no, because even if the problems are not 100% resolved, they will at least improve. They will be at least like 50% resolved, and that is something very important. It is something important for each and every one of us, and that's the main thing. So tip 2 for this second weekend of the Fruitful Friday would be learn to speak up, learn to say no, irrespective of wherever you are, whichever organization, whether it's office, whether at home, with friends, at college. Many a times with friends also, when you go out for eating, maybe you don't feel like, some days you don't want to have a drink or something, but someone is forcing you, but you don't want to, then just speak up. Just say no, I would not like to have a drink right now, or maybe I do not drink, or maybe I don't like to have a drink right now. Or maybe sometimes you just wish to have and then you have, and some days you don't wish to have and you don't have. That's the thing. The main point is, like, nobody should force you, whether it's at work, someone is making you do something which is taking a toll on your mental health, or it is with friends, where you're doing something out of peer pressure. You may be someone who doesn't like to drink at all, and it's absolutely okay. You may be someone who hates drinking, and it's absolutely fine, but speaking up is really important. If you are someone who loves to do that and your friends are saying you to do that, you can do that, it's fine, because you like to do. But if it is something which you do not like and it can take an effect on your health, whether mental or physical, and you personally don't enjoy it, then just speak up. Just learn to say no. That's it for this particular second segment. And also I'm shooting in this very nice, like I really like the background, like like lots of greenery. So this is my new place actually, like I'm staying in a double sharing room here in a PG, and it's really cool. So yeah, that's all for this particular video. Hope you all like this particular video. Do like, share, subscribe. Stay happy, stay blessed, and just love yourself. Bye.